For the next part is institutions and markets in subtopic of Sharia Governance, Sharia Advisory Council. The things that we're gonna talk about the section 51, section 52, section 55 and role of SSC. Section 51 is Establishment of Sharia Advisory Council. The bank may establish a Sharia Advisory Council on Islamic finance which shall be the authority for the settlement of Islamic law for the purposes of Islamic financial business. The Sharia Advisory Council may determine its own procedures. Next is Section 52, which is Function of Sharia Advisory Council. The SSC shall have the following function. First is to ascertain the Islamic law on any financial matter and issue a ruling upon reference made to it in accordance with this part. Second, to advise the bank on any Sharia issue relating to Islamic financial business, the activities or transaction of the bank. The third is to provide advice to any Islamic financial institution or any other person as may be provided under any written law. And fourth is to determine by the bank. For the purposes of this part, ruling means any ruling made by the SSC for the settlement is Islamic law for the purposes of Islamic financial business. Next is Section 55. The bank shall consult the SSC on any matter including relating to Islamic financial business and for the purpose of carrying out its function or conducting its business or affairs under this Act or any other written law in accordance with the Sharia which requires the settlement of Islamic law by the SSC. Second is any Islamic financial institution is respect of its Islamic financial business including refers to a ruling or seeks the advice of the Sharia Advisory Council on the operation of its business in order to ascertain that it does not involve any element which is inconsistent with the Sharia. The last part is role of Sharia Advisory Council under IFSA 2013. First is SSC is a body set up by the Islamic Banks authorities to ensure the operations and activities of the bank are Sharia compliant. Second is the Islamic Financial Services Act 2013 which came into effect from 13 June 2013. For the third is it is a step for Islamic financial institution to ensure Sharia compliant in the Islamic finance practice. The last is a close monitoring and supervision by regulators, namely Bank Negara Malaysia and Securities Commission Malaysia.